37.
Break, hold all units for 1037.
We're going to be southbound coming up to the 780, 90 miles an hour. TBI.
Good work.
Stop reaching! Stop reaching right now! Get out of the car! Driver! Get out of the car now! Stop reaching! Got one at gunpoint. He's still reaching around. Driver, show me your hands!
10 more.
482.
Show me your hands, driver! Roll your window down now! Show me both of your hands now! Put them on the roof! Do not move! Hey! Do not move! Do you understand? Climb over to me! Climb to me! There's someone in the passenger seat? Climb over! Reach out! Open your door! Open your door! Step out! Turn around, face away from me! Walk back to the sound of my voice! Walk backwards, stop right there! No! You stop right there! Do not move! Step to your left. Step to your left. Walk back to the sound of my voice. Keep coming back. Back, back, stop. Keep down on your knees. Put your hands on your head. Lay down on your stomach. Put your hands in the small of your back. Do not move.
Yes, sir.
Forward.
Yes, sir.
Stand up.
Yes, sir.
You have anything in there?
No, sir.
Have a seat.
Yes, sir. There's a box ammo.
He was reaching in that center console.
45 bud.
I need an OCA for pursuit and DUI.
10 more.
Get rid of that seat. That box ammo.
Well, you can clear the mat.
Medical assistance?
No, we're good. Thank you, guys.
Man, is he going to go to drive? Hey, I gotta move this to the
Yeah. HQ will be just north of 78. He hit your car?
Yeah, did you guys see that? And I haven't even, we didn't want to get out.
No, you're perfectly fine. I appreciate that. We're gonna get
Hit me on the side, the scared the heck out of us. We almost lost control. He hit me right here on the side.
Okay.
And it felt like it was soup. Yeah, it was good. It was good.
Do you by chance have the recording on your Tesla camera?
I do.
Okay.
Do I
Good thing about these cars.
Oh my gosh, I feel like you guys it's new. I don't know how to do it.
Yeah. I got a Tesla that's been sideswiped by this gentleman. It's going to be in Missouri. Temporary terminate when you're ready.
Go ahead.
008 David X-ray 8 Sam. And then I'll need a crash report number for that one.
10-4. JX, you're 1011.
Tip one. Hi. You okay?
Yeah, it didn't hurt us.
Good.
It's set up only to record when I'm not in it.
Okay. I got you. No big deal. I mean, obviously.
Oh my god.
Do you have a driver's license yet by chance?
I can work this.
That's fine.
10-4. I didn't get a return out of Missouri for that one.
That was an ugly one. I was super shallow.
When we heard, I just brought that traffic stop up and I was like, he sounds like elevated.
He started weaving in and out of traffic and was hitting people at the 83.
No kidding.
Yeah. Thank you, man.
I wish I don't know how to set it up to do it all the time.
No worries.
That's negative.
Do you need my insurance?
10-4.
Can you find it with that?
I should be able to get off of here. It's really his insurance that's going to pay for your stuff anyway. So.
That was scary.
Go ahead.
Last of Olson, Ocean, Lincoln, Sam, Edward, Moron, first of Rebecca, Edward, 1963, 230. That dude's doing 110. Jeez. And then side swipes her.